Hello, my name is Pedro Martin. I'm Digital Content Manager of BIMobject Spain, and in this video I will show you how to use the Manusa Revit families in the project. Here we have the BIMobject application in which we can click Browse and get access to the BIMobject site, in which I have a search bar. You can type here Manusa and get a list of all the products that Manusa has, the automatic doors and the access gates, etc. So let's select one of them, this one, and here we have a product page in which we have all the technical info, a description, list of technical specification, links to the product site of Manusa, regions, places in which the Manusa doors are available, and properties with more data available for search. If I click on download, I get the three versions. We have three different languages. I have clicked on International in English, and now I have it loaded. I can click on the wall. Let's have a look in 3D. Here we have, it's in fine mode. And if I click in edit type, I get all the info, the specific info from Manusa, and the info from BIMobject that is used mainly on searches. Let's use another kind of product, an access gate, browse, and then in the list of Manusa doors, let's take this gate. Here we have with all this info. Once again, download and click on the international version. This time this is the one of the sides of the gate. Let's place it here, and I will use the mirror tool, and here we have. This family has, same as the automatic door, it has its specific Manusa properties and the general BIMobject properties that are taken from the product page.